Pizza at the Park, Florida SuperCon edition. Guys, you're not gonna believe the craziest pizza that I just found. Had to do a Pizza at the Park SuperCon edition for you just so you can see what it is. We're gonna go rate it, see how it tastes. Hopefully I survive it. Probably the worst thing I've ever eaten. Not gonna lie, this is disgusting. Like half of it is soft, half of it is like hard as a rock. What is that? Yeah. You can knock somebody out with that. My jaw hurts from doing it. I don't know what is it. It's so dry. It's so dry. I can't finish it. Vending machine pizza. 0 out of 10. Don't do it. The worst decision ever made. Worst pizza I've ever had. And that says a lot. I'm looking at you, Pizza Rizzo and Pizza Fari.